you to? It's your boy Meek and this.
This girl Kiki.
Alright, so we finna get into this Mcdonald'S Mukbang. You know, basically talk about a little something what we did and didn't do for Christmas. You know, we really ain't do nothing for real, man. Like no cap, like
You was born. You just woke
it was the worst Christmas ever. Like we didn't get none. It was just boring, like literally boring. The only thing we got, no, take that back. We did got somebody gave us money, but it was like a little gift. So.
Yeah.
So what you want to talk about? DC story? Alright, so DC story. Alright. What? Talk about it.
I'm on DC side.
Why you on DC side for?
Because Corey, you be flipping too much. You be bragging about stuff.
You say he be bragging about stuff? But he said, you know, Corey.
Put all that out there. Like,
Yeah, Corey had put all that stuff out there.
face to face.
True. He had put all that stuff like, oh, I did this with him, or I did this with him. He had put all that out there, you feel me? So, you know, it basically was all messed up the way he said and put out there. And plus, he made this song. We ain't even worth it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's just a waste of time. That's one thing I don't like about Corey. He just get mad. And, but then DC said he was calling this man. And what happened? You know what? You know, pick up the phone. So,
Cause he know he was wrong.
he know it's wrong.
That's why I'm on DC side.
But I don't got nothing against nobody. I'm just saying on nobody's side. But what Corey did was wrong. You say you're on DC side, so you're on DC side. But guess what? My EX texted me today. Not today. I know it was a long time. Like I had to open up my like inbox. You feel me? And it was like, I forgot what day. Don't spill the name, God.
Beep.
Oh, so they come back here. Hey, this burger right here, the bun.com. I know y'all can't see our food, but you know, y'all know we smacking, so you know that matters to me. You feel me? You know, every time I come out with it, I'm finna give y'all some interesting. So, I mentioned to tell you. Remember she text me? You won't believe what happened. You won't believe what happened. Grandma, get turned back on that light. Dang. Thank you. Alright, but man, forgive me, y'all. Alright, well, keep that bitch on the whole. Alright, but like I was saying, Grandma, don't be cussing on video. I'm not trying to get in trouble.
Holy shit, we can't.
Alright, girl, I'm just playing, for real. I'm just playing. But, you know what she told me? You won't believe this, Kels. She showed me something that was very important. Alright? You won't believe this, so I'm finna tell you. For real, no way. Alright, you ready?
Her gloves, cool.
It started with a P.
She said, Pearl, you crazy.
I'm like, so for real.
She got gloves.
She showed me everything. I got her pregnant.
You got who pregnant? Who you got pregnant?
I can't spill all that. I'm gonna tell y'all later, you feel me?
It's inside of this.
I got her pregnant, so how do you feel about that?
You got teeth.
That's my definition.
Big boy, don't be going to teeth. I got teeth.
How do you feel?
I feel confused.
Why you feel confused?
Why would you say that?
Let me tell her.
I ain't know until now. She texted me and she was like, she showed me the baby. The ultrasound. You remember? So, how do you feel about that? How do you feel about it?
You got dragons on.
No
That's
comment.
scorpions.
No, come you gotta talk to him about it. You finna be a auntie.
Who got scorpion feet? Who right
I'm for real. I'm like so dead serious right now.
How you doing? You said,
You happy?
you talking about?
Are you sure? So that's the only reason. That's the only thing you gotta say. Is you shocked right now?
TT that quick.
I'm shocked.
I
was shocked too.
On your fingers if you TT that quick.
I'm like so for real. I'm like so dead for real, y'all. Y'all understand. So how do you feel? I know I got some explaining to do, Mom. I know.
Oh.
I got some explaining to do, Grandma. I know. I got a girl pregnant. I got some explaining to do.
Mom and did grandma.
You hurt the stomach.
I'm like so dead for real. She just texted me and she showed me everything. It shot my face. This message was sent December the 3rd. And I just not opened my inbox today. So how do you feel? I'm gonna ask you 1,000 times. You gotta give them an explanation of how you feel.
I'm shocked.
Like how shocked? Like you finna be an auntie, so how you finna feel to you? Being the auntie taking care of a baby. How you think it's gonna feel to me? Of course I'm happy. I made it. But you ain't saying that. You just shaking your head. You're not saying that. So you don't got that saying. So you just shocked. You ain't know that was gonna come out my mouth. But you didn't think else gonna talk about? No, I swear I'm not lying. You think I'm lying? I'm like so dead for real.
Oh my God.
Nigga said, oh my God.
Y'all finna be auntie while y'all laugh?
They had pull a puff and be great grandma.
Grandma, you might as well get prepared for be a great grandma.
Puff and be a great grandma.
Oh my God.
And my mom finna be a grandma. She gonna be a
What?
grandma too, eh?
She's gonna be the auntie now. Grandma, auntie, something.
I don't know how that go, but I'm for real. You ain't saying that. I need some explanation. They need to know.
What Noodle said? Oh my God.
That's how you feel. Oh my God.
She said, oh my God.
Damn. Man, I'm sorry to tell y'all that news. Man. I got a girl pregnant in it.
Comes with responsibility.
What I gotta do? What I gotta do? You gonna help me? Is you gonna babysit?
Mom said.
Is you gonna babysit?
My mom got it.
Is you gonna babysit?
Puff and be a great woman. Look at
You
Puff.
gonna buy some diapers?
Look at Puff. Look at
You gonna buy some
Puff
diapers?
get to the store, get some pampers. Puff gonna babysit. He ain't gonna pay you for babysitting. Puff just started daycare. Puff good kid. Puff started daycare.
Grandma, you gonna take care of my Grandma, you gonna take care of my baby?
He gonna pay you.
You said what? You gonna be gone. You ain't going nowhere. You gonna take care of my baby, bro. I gotta work. I gotta provide for my kid. I ain't finna put my baby in no daycare center. Daycare center. I said daycare center. You so do you believe me? You don't? I'm like so dead for real. So you don't believe me?
Somewhat.
You don't know?
That came from Zeke.
Do I have to show you proof? Huh? Huh? Well, after this camera, I'll show you proof.
Look at him.
Alright?
Black. They call it black.
Alright.
Black.
So,
I do. My shoes.
you done?
I take them off.
Done you?
Black.
You got anything to say to them? Tell them you love them. Tell them that I'm pretty sure they miss you.
I love y'all, and then y'all know y'all listen. So we ain't been on.
Well, you have it. They see my face plenty of
I
time.
know you ain't seen my face, no my Noodle face.
You know, I have my other little sisters in here. And the video again, I'll probably do a mukbang with them soon.
Zeke and Jeremiah.
But I don't know if I'm getting in trouble right now. I just spit the tea. And basically all my family heard, so I got some explaining to do. But at the end of the day, Kelsey, at the end of the day, I want you to be a good auntie, all right? I want you to provide. Yeah, why you looking like that? You think I'm playing now?
Look at Bud. Look at Bud.
Grandma, how do you feel? Come to the camera and talk to him. Who want to talk to him? How do you feel? No, come to the camera.
Come on. No, come on. You got to say to do.
How do you feel?
Come, Jeremiah. How you feel?
Yeah, tell them how you feel about the money.
All right, come here. How do you feel about me having the baby?
See, I was the same way.
What you got to say?
I'm a babysitter.
MVP, boy. That's all I'm talking about. He gonna babysit.
This is how I feel.
But
No. Come on, Nana. Okay, come say
Come on,
something.
come on.
Come say something.
come on,
Say
come
it.
on,
Say it.
come on, Grandma.
You didn't need no baby right now.
I know.
You need to go to college.
I don't want to go to college though. I made my own decision.
Where
Baby.
you got your job. Ain't you got a job?
Yep. So do.
Come on, Zeke.
So I don't need no baby now. That's what you saying? But it came. So my responsibility. What I gotta do now? What do you got to say, little sis? Come on.
that way. Come on that way.
You finna be an auntie. You finna be an auntie. Come here.
Go up on me.
You finna be an auntie. Come here. You finna be an auntie. You might as well. Z, what do you have to say about me having the baby?
Sit right there. What you gotta say, look.
What do you have to say about me having the baby? You shocked? You gonna look at my baby and hold it?
Yeah.
You finna be big cuz. You gotta be
Strong.
strong. You gotta be able to hold my baby, okay?
Get new on that. What you gotta say?
Yeah, no. So come on. What you gotta say, no?
Oh my God.
I saw
Yes, I cannot pull my gun. This is my superpower.
So
Huh?
no, come on, no, come on, now.
Come on right now. Mama, what you gotta say?
Mama, come on, mama. Don't be scared.
I'm a grown person.
You're my sister now. You don't wanna come in the camera?
I don't know what to say.
See how mean she is? She don't wanna come in the camera.
No, come see, no, come say.
The one that dance with me don't wanna come in the camera.
Probably not that for that
I don't know what to
morphine.
say.
You know, come just say what you gotta say. Come on.
Not that for the morphine.
No, come on.
Yeah.
Come on. No, come on. You there. You there.
Mama. Y'all come out and bite your mouth.
I'm finna say something.
What you gotta say? You finna be auntie. You know what auntie is? You got a big responsibility ahead of you.
I'm gonna buy some dogs.
She said she don't know.
I said, well, right now I got boo-boo. But,
No, I don't.
like,
Mom, what you got to say? Oh, my mama asleep.
I'm asleep.
How you doing?
Well, that concludes the end of this video. I hope y'all bear with me through some, you know, this having the baby situation. I just gotta tell all y'all something right now that I had to really like tell y'all. I gotta really tell, hey, so y'all gonna listen to me? I gotta tell all y'all something. I don't know how the hell y'all thought I really gonna have a baby. No, y'all thought I had a baby. Come on now. Y'all really thought I had a baby. It's a mother. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Nana said, oh.
So, mother, prank. Look at all y'all faces. Don't be looking at me like that.
Please talk to me like this.
What you want to do? What? Y'all face look crunchy. Y'all finna get y'all feelings, boy. They feelings low key. Y'all got y'all feelings low key. But that includes the video. So we gonna all cancel y'all. We gonna all do this. You feel me? We gonna all exit out. You feel me? We gonna say peace at the same time. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to do this? Y'all ready? All right. So this concludes the end of this video. Make sure y'all smash that what?
Oh.
All right. Make sure y'all smash that what?
Bell.
Ooh, y'all sound horrible. Make sure y'all smash that.
Button.
And smash that.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yep, subscribe, and what else?
Notifications. Turn on notifications.
Yep, them bells. But alright. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready?